Hello students, today we are here with these questions. You can see on your screen. Your question is let the range of the function fx is equals to 6 plus 16 cos x into cos pi by 3 minus x into cos pi by 3 plus x into sin 3x into cos 6x, where x belongs to R, B, alpha comma beta in the close bracket, right? Then what we have to do, we have to find the distance of the point alpha beta from this line, right? So first what we will do, first you will find the range of this function. So let us start finding the range here. Okay, so see here, fx is equals to, what you will write, 6 plus 6 plus 16. Now you see here, cos x into cos pi by 3 minus x into cos pi by 3 plus x. This is what? This is nothing but the formula. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, and cos into cos what? 60 plus theta, right? Cos 60 plus theta. Okay. Cos 60 plus theta. This is nothing but what? 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Okay. So this formula will be applied here. So what you will write? 16 into 1 by 4 cos 3x, right? Now you see here it is sin 3x, you write as it is sin 3x and cos 6x. Okay, now you see here 4 4 ja cancel, right? 4 4 ja cancel, so you can write here 2 into 2. Okay, now these two you can give to this. Okay, so what we can write here, 6 plus, now you see here 2 cos 3x into sin 3x. What we can see here, this is what? Nothing but the formula of sin 6x, isn't it? So you will write here sin 6x, right? Means formula of this one, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, that can be applied here. Okay, and here it is cos 6x. Okay, now look at this. This is what? This is also the formula of what? Sin 12x, isn't it? Sin 12x, sin 12x, right? Means again here it is sin 2a, 2 sin a into cos a. Okay, so now you tell that what is the range of sine? Minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. So you just add, and if you add, then what you will get? 6 minus 1, then what? 5, and 6 plus 1, so 7, right? This is the range of these functions, and it is saying that alpha beta, we have also got the point alpha beta as well, right? We have got the point alpha and beta also. So what is the point? That point is 5 comma 7. Okay, what we have to find? Then the distance of the point alpha beta from the line, means what? Let's imagine here, this is the here is the point, okay, and this is the line. So you have to find the distance, from this line. Okay, so what we can do, you can just put in this point, you put in that equation. Okay, so what we can do, just to find the distance, d is equals to what? D is equals to, you will write d is equals to mod 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7 plus 12, right? Divided by what? Divided by x, this one. Coefficient of x is what? 3, and coefficient of y is 4. So what we can write? A squared plus b squared, means what? 3 squared plus 4 squared, right? Then after you just simplify. When you simplify, what? 5 3 is 15 plus 28 plus 12. So what you are getting? You are getting here 55. And here it is 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. So 25, square root of 25 is 5. So here it is 11. So the distance is what? Distance of the point alpha beta from the line is what? This 11. Okay, so your correct option is 11, right?